There was a time people never left their homes without a hat. For generations, since 1868, we were hat makers for a hat-wearing culture. And then fashions changed, and the economy changed, and we kept making hats in America's oldest hat factory. With the same love and the same respect for the people that wore them.
My daughter works here.
Who doesn't want to have lunch with their kid?
My family worked here. My brother, my sister, 2 uncles, 3, 4 cousins. My mother worked here for just a very short time.
Quality hats are fashion items now. And while it's easy to be nostalgic for a different time, we believe that hats should be special. And what makes them special is the loving labor of human hands. A factory that's been doing the same work for more than 150 years. So when you're buying a Bollman hat, you're buying a vision, maybe an old-fashioned vision, but we believe it's a forward-thinking one, where Americans can still support a family by making something with their hands at a business that's 100% employee-owned. That they can, if they want to, work at the same job their parents did and provide for their family and their retirement. When you buy a Bollman Makers Collection hat, you're buying a hat created in honor of one of 42 employee owners with more than 35 years of service.
I am here 45 years.
Working with my hands and making something of value.
It makes me proud to know that I made that, and I enjoy my job. I really enjoy making hats.
You're buying a part of the dream to keep this vision alive. And you're also buying a damn good hat. Funny how those go together.